Hey guys, hopefully I don't get copyright because somebody's playing music loud outside. I don't know why, but I had filmed something earlier and I looked crazy in number one and number two. I was just doing a bunch of rambling. If you guys got enough rambling in today's vlog. Today is, by the way, if you guys are wondering, today is Thursday, August 21st. And I'm pretty much almost done with everything. Last time I told you guys I got everything else squared away. Actually right now it's almost 5, as you guys see. It's 4:49. I finally got a hold of my advisor, so I'm actually going to meet on a Zoom call with her just because I just wanted to clarify one thing before I actually go ahead and go ahead and what's the word, and apply for classes. I told her I just rather, so she gave me an option. She could email me or meet in person, but I just decided to meet in person because I just wanted to clarify. And I think it's better than the back and forth of me emailing back and forth. I could just talk to her right there and then to clarify if I can take specific courses. Does it have to be in certain order? That's what I want to know, because there was one course that I saw, like I told you guys in my last vlog, that was already full. So I'm going to clarify with her if I do have to do it in order, or I can just go ahead and do another course in the interim. I'm trying to get into my account portal thing. So I just finished talking to my advisor, so I'm trying to get my classes now done so that it's done and squared away with. I was just trying to figure out, oh wait, hold on, wrong thing, that was the wrong class. Go back, I have to go search again. I press, my head keeps on the same course number, but that course number is not the course that I want to take. Search, don't drive me crazy now. Find the course, I just saw it. Okay, let's do this again. Let's start from here. Register or withdraw from classes. Click. Fall. Oh, I hope I found it. Don't get me upset today. GSPE. Okay, it's this one. Maybe I should just search all the classes like I did the first time instead of, sorry, this is a lot. Oh, I have to do add. All right, I got it. The old me, the old is kicking in. Okay, so I want to register for this one. Submit. That's 503. And then I want to register for, she said, so my advisor said she thinks I should take 650 first. So I think I'm gonna stick with her recommendation because she knows what she's talking about. She's already in the field. 6, and then there's another one she said, oh no, that one I can take fall. So I'm just writing down notes for myself so I have like this, there's a sticky note tab you can do on Microsoft Word, which I just learned about that. So I'm doing that. Now I need to see the other class. What was the course I said? 650 she said. So 650 is this one. Yeah, offered. And like certain courses, that's the thing, certain courses are only offered like fall, so you have to like put it for fall. You can't do fall, I mean online, that's what I'm trying to explain, because I'm fully online, so only certain courses are only offered in fall specifically, and then some are fall and spring, so you gotta kind of look at that. She's gonna send me, she's got a breakdown of everything, so I'll look for that. But I kind of wanted to go ahead and do my classes now. I don't want to wait. I know what I have to register for, and your girl's registered. One is pending. Why is this pending? Oh, because I didn't submit to register, that's why. Oh, it's pending because I just added it, I guess, whatever. All right, so I'll be taking 2 classes plus this. I'm gonna just register for it now, and then because it just says, let me see, course 100 500 orientation to special education. It's from 10 to 12. Apparently we're supposed to, I don't know if I should register for it or not, because it says seats available 10, enrollment actual 3, which means people already signed up for it. But am I supposed to just sign up for it, or am I gonna get an email about it? That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Should I just sign up for all 3? just to be on the safe spot, just to hold my spot just in case. I don't think anybody else is gonna join the intro one, because I think it's just, the intro one is specifically for probably anybody who joined this for this fall semester who's just starting the program, like myself. I don't know how many people just got in for this fall for the program, but yeah. And the other course that I wanted to get in anyway, it's called, well, I can tell you guys what it is. It's 501. Let me see. This is like this course is pretty much about like IEPs, 504s, and I guess that's why she said that, because I'm a para. We work with IEP 504. Like that's pretty much my job. Like I get a behavioral plan and then I have to follow that behavioral plan to deal with my kid, with my student, whichever one I have. So that's probably why she was like, it's not a biggie, because I kind of probably know majority of the information. So I'm gonna really do classes on something else. So one of them is gonna be on, what you call this? What do you call this? Hold on. One of them is gonna, and then the other one is gonna be about social. It's called social justice and empowerment. Hey guys, it is Friday, August 22nd, and it's 7:53. So I just want to come here very quickly, and I got my glasses today. They were supposed to come tomorrow, but I'm actually got taken today from Firmoo. You guys can see that. They always give you this box, and then of course they give you a bunch of coupon codes all the time. I'm not gonna go through the coupon codes. I'll leave a coupon code down below for your glasses wearer, but yeah. So these are the pairs that I got. I don't remember if I showed you guys when I was purchasing them. They're a little thinner than these frames. Let's see, my face is kind of sweaty. So I did come back. I did go to the US Open. I came back about like an hour or so ago. Maybe 2 hours, about to be 2 hours. So I'm gonna just try these frames on. I'll leave the exact frame that I got if anybody's interested. I'll leave down below in the description. Everything that I normally use, I put in the description box anyway for you guys. Why is the glasses so dirty already? I just got them, but anyway, it's like dusty. I don't remember if I told you guys this. I had to pay a little extra because I think the type of my vision or something, they said with this glasses I had to add an extra something. I'll leave it exactly. And I think that happened to me when I got my eyes checked, I believe last year, or was it this year? I think no, it was this year when I got my glasses this year. She said I had to pay like extra for this extra thing. I don't know, I guess it's the prescription that I have to always pay extra now. I don't know. But anyway, these are the frames. Let's try them on. They're a little thinner, so they're cool. Let me get closer. Sorry, my hair's not done anymore because I twisted it back up. And then basic, regular, nothing too crazy. But I just wanted a new pair of glasses because you guys know me, I like to switch on my glasses all the time. Anyway, this gives me ready to get back to work vibes. That's really why I got them. But like, I feel like the look will come together once I get my hair done and everything. Then I'll be complete. I was itching to do randomly to do nails. It's just like sometimes I get a phase where I just want some long nails. I don't know if it's the quickly plaque or what it is. So I just did some quick press on nails by Mari. If you know Martin, she has these nails. This is the first time I did these. I haven't done these yet. I was like, girl, you got so many press ons. So let me use a pair. I'll probably keep this for a week because normally they don't last that long anyway. And then after the week, I might get acrylic most likely, or I might leave my lens alone. I don't know, but I think I might get acrylic. My plan was to get acrylic next Friday, so a week from now. But I was like, you know what, I want to do some nails, so let's just do nails right now. And my prep is always the same. I already showed it to you guys earlier, so I did it really quick, so that's why you guys didn't see it so rapidly. But very quickly, last thing that I want to share, I have to clean all this stuff after, is what is it? Oh, what I got from this open. So I didn't film that much because it was not that much to film. I'm just gonna show what the freebies that I got. There was a lot of different ones, but I got the Dove for free. I got the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray, 74 out, 2 hours. I got this last year. Mount Sinai always gives band-aids. It's just like flexible latex free band-aids, sterile. And then I got the Fantastic Four Marvel comic book. They were giving out other stuff like yoga and other places, but there was lines for everything. There was also a line for something else I wanted, but like after we're over it. Yeah, La Roche-Posay. That was the other one. But I still have stuff from last year I haven't used yet. Sunscreen, I gotta use it at some point. I got sunscreen from last year. I have the SPF 60 and the 50, so that's why I didn't really care. I was like, I already have this. If they're giving the same sample, I already got them. And they last a long time. 2020. Oh, well, actually, no. This one is gonna end 2025, so maybe I should start using some. You're supposed to use sunscreen all winter and stuff like that anyway. And then this is, what do you call this? SPF 60. But yeah, that's what I have to say. There's nothing else I have to share. I just want to share really quickly what I got. This year was a little bit different. It wasn't the same as last year. That's what I would say. It was too many people. That's what the thing was, and then I think that's what kind of made it. And then today was also Family Fun Day, so I think that's what made it a little more hectic and couldn't really get to a lot of stuff. But I will be posting probably a short video for you guys of the whole thing. I already posted it on TikTok, but I'll probably do a quick shorts for you guys. But that's all for this video. Next week I have a few things happening too. I will try to get footage of bits and pieces, and that's it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell next to subscribe, so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time.